What does financial freedom mean to you today compared to before you began your recovery journey? How do programs like Black in DA and Black in UA help restore trust, accountability, and community economics? How do you feel about creating generational wealth? What practical steps can families take to move from survival thinking to legacy thinking? Do you know your net worth? How comfortable are you with investing? What would generational wealth look like if it were rooted in cultural memory rather than just financial accumulation? If the splintering was intentional, can the rebuilding be intentional too? Are you interested in being a guest? Contact us at blackandmoneyrecovery@gmail.com. Look forward to meeting you.